My dear children, welcome to the accountancy class. In the last session, we have studied about the important financial statements of the company. In this module, we are going to study then what is the need for making adjustments in trading and profit and loss account. As we know, the important concepts used in accounting are business entity concept, cost concept, going concern concept, money measurement concept, accrual basis concept, matching concept, accounting period concept, consistency concept, conservatism concept, revenue recognition concept, matching concept, materiality concept, and objectivity concept. The important two bases of accounting are cash basis and accrual basis. According to accrual concept of accounting, the profit or loss for an accounting period is not based on the revenues realized in cash, the expenses paid in cash during the year, because there may be some receipts of incomes and payments of the expenses during the current year, which may be partially related to the previous year or to the next year. There may be some incomes and expenses relating to the current year that are still to be brought into books of accounts. So, unless such items duly adjusted, the final accounts will not reflect the true and fair view of the state of affairs of the business. Sometimes some transactions or some adjustments may not be recorded while preparing trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. That unrecorded items are known as adjustments. The important adjustments are closing stock, outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, accrued income, income received in advance, interest on capital, interest on drawings, interest on loan, interest on investments, provision for depreciation, bad debts, further bad debts, provision on discounted debtors, provision for doubtful debts, manager's commission, etc. These are the important adjustments in trading and profit and loss account. In this session, we are going to study the accounting treatment of closing stock in trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. As we know, in the previous chapter, we have already studied about the term closing stock. Let me ask one question. What is meant by closing stock? Yes, closing stock represents the cost of unsold goods within the stores at the end of the accounting period. The adjustment with regard to closing stock is done by crediting the amount of closing stock in trading and profit and loss account and by showing the amount of closing stock on the asset side of the balance sheet. What is the reason behind showing the amount of closing stock on the asset side? Yes, closing stock will be the opening stock of next accounting period. So it is recorded on the credit side, on the asset side of the balance sheet. The important journal entry for recording closing stock in trading and profit and loss account is that closing stock account data to trading and profit and loss account. The closing stock of the year becomes the opening stock of the next year and it is reflected in the trial balance of the next accounting period. The amount of closing stock will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Now I am going to give one problem. In trial balance, the amount of closing stock included as debit balance. What will be the accounting treatment of closing stock? The rule for recording the adjustments regarding the closing stock is that when the amount of closing stock given in the trial balance, there is no need to record the amount of closing stock in both trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. That means there is no need to record the amount of closing stock in trading and profit and loss account. That means the amount of closing stock should be recorded on the asset side of the balance sheet only. Then second accounting treatment is that if it is given as adjustment, that means it is not recorded or not recorded in the trial balance. It is recorded as an adjustment. In that case, we have to record the amount of closing stock on both trading and profit loss account and balance sheet. Accounting treatment is record the amount of closing stock on the credit side of the trading and profit loss account as by closing stock. The another adjustment is record the amount of closing stock on the asset side of the balance sheet under the head current assets. Once again, the accounting treatment of the closing stock is, first we have to enter the amount of closing stock on the credit side of the trading account, then enter the amount of closing stock in balance sheet on the asset side.